I'm back in another video. So today I'm gonna do like a slime video because I haven't done a slime video since, I haven't done a video since a long time, so I thought I should do a new video because yeah. So yeah, let's get started. So first I got this like big entire glue thing, PVA glue, I guess. Yeah, washable PVA. Now let's just open it. Okay, and then probably, I think so there's enough. They have a lot. It's like here, kind of. I've used a little bit. And that's enough, right? I don't know. That's enough. I think that should be enough of it. We have a spoon here. It's like I don't know. No, that's like probably add a little more. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. So guys, I thought of a name of calling you, like probably Leafies. You might not like it, but I really like this name, Leafies, cause like it's natural, nature, like kind of like that. And then I don't know, I just really like it. No, that's not. Oh my god, I put too much. I'm gonna put too much. Because then I don't want to put too much. Because then it's going to activate hardly. Like, I know I haven't done a slime until a long time. But, like, that's so much. Okay, now we're going to activate it. My activator is going to be glycerin. You could do it with borax or wick or Persil. Like, if you don't know what Persil is something like from Asda. Like, just guys, comment down below and explain what it is, because I can't really. Like, Persil is that you wash clothes, and then like it's kind of because it has like borax in it. So I think I should add a bit more glue. I think so. I'm gonna add a bit more glue because that's not enough really. Just want to make it a bit like bigger, but like. Don't want to make it too big because then it's going to be a bit more and this should be enough. Oh my god, I put too much. Literally, I put too much. Oh my god, I think I put too much. Sorry. It's kind of coming together. It's so like, I don't know. But should I add shaving cream? Should I make it like a... I don't know if I should add shaving cream. I don't know, guys. Should I... Leafies. Should I... Got Leafies. Do you think I should like add shaving cream? Comment down below. If I should. And at the end of this video, we're going to do we're going to do a shout out. So we're going to do a shout out. the end of this video, so stay tuned. Okay, I think I made it too big, but I think it's good. Perfecto. This is not working. Okay, I think that's enough. Oh my god, that's so stretchy. That's so good. I love this slime. But still, because like it's a bit hard. No, I mean it's not hard, but like I think I should add just a little, very little more glue. Guys, and at the end of this video, I'm gonna kind of like tell you some of my friends that I really appreciate the fact that you guys subscribe to me. Like, they come to my school because they're my friends. So I'm gonna thank you guys at the end of the video. I want to tell the people who they are. It's just girls, cause like, yeah. And like, thank you to thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my videos. Cause like, you guys make me happy all the time. Look at this line. Oh my god, that's so nice. So texture. Kind of sticky now. I think I should add a bit of activator. Getting a little sticky. Wow. That's super nice. Guys, should I just like add stuff in it or should I leave it like this simple? I think I was wondering if I should just like add a bit of glitter. But I know it's so beautiful. Just really, really, really want to like, not really, 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 like, I just kind of want to, slowly, just kidding, I just really want to like add a bit of glitter, because like, just really want it. Oh my god, guys, look at this. It's so nice. Literally super nice. So beautiful. Let's see if it makes any sounds. Oh my god, it does make sounds. So glossy. It's super glossy. Oh my god. Look at it. Guys, look at this beauty. This is what I call beauty. Oh my god, and it like makes so much noises. I'm gonna add just a mini. I recommend this kind of glue. I'll tell you just where it is, cause yeah, it's from Asda. That's all I'm saying, cause I might get sponsored. I'm like, yeah. Wow, so stretchy, guys. Oh my god, it's gonna get so hard. Oh my god, I love this slime. Just love this slime. I love it. It's so nice, guys. Super nice. So, oh my god, so much bracelet. But anyway, like, I'm gonna get my accessory boxes. Okay, I know this kind of box is not the best box. It's a frozen box, not really for my age, but it's fine. So let's just get some glitter. That's all I want in this slime. I don't want too much stuff. Just want some glitter. That's all. So I'm gonna add some. No, I want to add some. By the way, do you like my hair? Give it a like. So at this video, I want to let's make 5 likes at this video. And like if you like my hair, and comment down below if you like it. And comment down below if I should do more slimes, and like what slime should I do? Fluffy, glossy, or a lot of ingredients, or like every single ingredient, or like a lot of glitter. And a jiggly slime, a sticky slime, or like everything. Just comment down below, guys. What slime should I do? Wow. Oh my god, guys. This is the most amazing. I think so. I should still add a bit, because the color is kind of like, still want it to be white. I don't want the color to go. I want it to be white. That should be enough. So guys, I'm very sorry. I haven't posted on my channel for a very, very long time. So I was gonna do a video yesterday or the day before, but like, it's not the best, because like it wasn't the best, and then I thought, no, I'm actually gonna do this video today. So yeah, here I am, guys. Tomorrow, I think I should probably post every single day a video, right? Yeah, I think so. We should. Oh my god, it's getting super sticky. It's getting big, but it's getting sticky. Oh my god, it's like so, guys, so beautiful. Guys, look at that. Look at this beauty. Okay, I'm gonna add a bit more glitter. Oh my god, I added so much glitter. Oh my god, guys, I added so much glitter. It's fine. Glitter doesn't make problems. Too much glitter doesn't matter, right? Okay, I think I should add some more glitter, but like a bit of that gold, because I added a lot of gold. Don't want any more gold. I think I should add a bit of green. A bit of everything, I think. Let's add a bit of silver. Oh my god, I added like a lot, but like it's fine. So guys, I'm gonna show you the silver now, cause I'll show you. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna show you. What do you guys think? My god, it's so shiny. What do you get? Oh my god, it feels so satisfying. Do you guys hear it? Oh my god. Oh my god, it feels so good. Oh my god, it literally feels super good. It feels amazing. Oh my god. It feels super good. Okay guys, I'm not gonna talk too much because I'm gonna hold the phone. And like, I'm gonna add glitter, gonna do a lot of stuff. Sorry guys if it's very shaky because of like kind of hard. Oh my god, hurt. So guys, it's not the end of the video, but like I think this should be the end of the video because like 17 minutes. Or should I make it up to like 20? Okay. We're gonna make it up to 20. I mean, no, 18. Because I don't want to make this video too much. Or like too long. Really don't. Please stay. Thank you. So guys, this is a fantastic slime. Literally, I love this slime. This is gonna be my favorite slime. Oh my god, it's like super glossy. So amazing. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe if you haven't and become a family member. And so the people that I thank so much is Etta, Ridge, and Mashid. Thank you so much for subscribing, you free, and yeah, so thank you so much, and I'll see you like in the next video on YouTube, guys. So bye.